So, I've been testing the ETM RTR for a while now, and I want to give you my honest thoughts on whether it's actually worth your money in 2020. First impression, this thing is not a toy. The RTR feels like a serious electric pit bike right out of the box. You're getting a powerful 72V system with a really aggressive power delivery, and honestly, the acceleration surprised me more than I expected for something this size. On the trail, it's where the bike really wakes up. It's super responsive, turns quickly, and feels really planted when you're pushing it harder. But I'll be real, this is not beginner-friendly. If you've never ridden something with this kind of torque, it can catch you off guard fast. Build quality is solid overall. The frame feels strong, the suspension handles rough terrain decently, and it's clearly built with upgrades in mind. That said, it's not perfect. You'll still want to do regular maintenance if you ride it hard. So is the ETM RTR worth it? If you're an experienced rider looking for raw electric power in a compact package, yes, absolutely. But if you're a beginner, the RTR Lite is probably the smarter choice. Overall, it's a fun, powerful machine, but not for everyone.